Hi there, I'm Serge from Discovering, and welcome to the introduction video to Discovering Eurail. We prepared a series of videos with topics ranging from where to purchase the pass, how to make the selection online, what to do when you first get that package in the mail, how, where, and when to make a reservation online, best practices, and much more. So without further ado, we'd like to invite you to tune in to our next video. Feel free to comment. If you have any questions whatsoever, it'll be a pleasure for us to answer each and every one of them. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like. Let's get started.